What's kicking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Funko flavored again. And we have another Funko mystery box. Oh, the last one left me craving more. But honestly, it turned out way better than I expected, so I have a little bit of hope. I just hope for no dupes, you know? I'm begging for the Freddy. So we're opening another one of the mystery boxes. It was $75 on the Funko shop. Gave you a chance for Freddy as Genie, a metallic Freddy as Genie that I really want, Freddy as Frankenstein, and then a bunch of different Funko shop exclusives, or you got a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive of their choice. I also have a delivery from Funko shop, and then I have a whole bunch of pre-orders that came in over at GameStop. It was Pro Day today. I was hoping to get some Pops, but they didn't have any deals on Pops that I was really interested in, other than the Jim Lee, I believe that's the artist's name, DC, they're like really artistic versions of DC superheroes. I'm not a huge fan of DC, but there is a Wonder Woman that looks amazing, so I might go back and check that out. First, I want to get into what I got over at GameStop. GameStop is my absolute favorite place to get my Pops. Now, the price is like $1 more than other places, but you are guaranteed to get that pop. That means you don't have to wait in lines. You don't have to call around to a bunch of different stores. You pre-order it, you get it. End of story. And the guys in my shop are amazing. They let me look at all the different ones that they got in, and I can choose one of the best condition when I pre-order it. So the first thing is Jon Snow and Rhaegal. If you don't know, I have Daenerys and Drogon and Night King and Viserion, Icy Viserion. So I really wanted to get the Jon Snow with Rhaegal because I love the dragons. It was like the main reason I watched Game of Thrones, and then the dogs, the direwolves, of course. But this completes it, the Dragon Riders. So that's going to be really cool to put next to the other two. I'll have to do a little bit of reorganizing. I'm such a nerd. I love reorganizing my Pops. So I'm going to put that down with him. I was really excited about this. But look, his eyebrows are totally different. In the Pop, he's like, I can do this. Over here is like, I'm going to die, aren't I? Anyway, that's a really cool Pop. I love seeing the deluxe and the rides Pops when they have something cool like that, like on a dragon. Heck yeah. Okay, this next one continues the 80th anniversary of Marvel. There is a line of Pops that they announced and released for the 80 years of Marvel. And this is Marvel Girl. And these Pops look incredibly clean. I've said this before, but the box is like a little bit metallic. You can see that. And it's super sturdy. The boxes really don't get damaged. And the character printout is like glossy. This is really cool. And the background is silver. And people are like, how come you keep all your Pops in the box? It's stuff like this. It's a part of the art. Just saying. Though I do have a lot of stuff out of box, okay? But Marvel Girl, this is actually Jean Grey. In the new comics that you would know, this is old school X-Men. So this is a really cool Pop. It goes really well with my Beast. So there's actually one more. Oh, and Iceman. There's actually one more X-Man that I got. And they always put the Pops in these sorters when you pre-order them, which is amazing. I'm saying, go pre-order your stuff at GameStop. Angel. So this is the second Angel Pop I've gotten. The other one was his red and white suit. This is the OG one, and this mold is killer, man. These 80th anniversary Pops are just literally the best that they've done with Marvel. And I'm so excited to complete this line. I think we're still waiting for... We got Namor. Oh, we're waiting for some like Spider-Man exclusives. There's Spidey. It's like Octo Spider or something. I need to see them before I get them, but I'm pretty sure I'm adding them to my collection. So there's one more X-Men from the 80 years, and that's Cyclops. So be looking forward to getting that one and completing the X-Men from the 80th anniversary here pretty soon. This next one is from Funko Shop, and this was, I hope I'm talking about the right one, because Funko Shop has been on fire. Back in the day, there was Tony the Tiger, Lucky the Leprechaun, Sunny, and Trix Rabbit, and Lucky the Leprechaun, all in one pack, like in a 3-pack kind of deal. They did the cereal monsters again with the cereal bowls. Like, Funko Shop has some amazing exclusives, and they just keep knocking it out of the park. Some of it's a little niche, and that's why I like it. Let me make sure I'm talking about the right one. Yeah. So we got another ad icon. And I'm going to put it like this. This is actually one of my favorite cereals growing up. But I'm going to be honest, I didn't even know of this ad icon because this is from like back in the 70s, I think, the advertisements from back in the 70s, Brian Mariotti likes to do those obscure references to commercials and things to that effect from back when he was growing up, which is what I would do if I was CEO. Like everything would be Marvel and Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! But he did an ad icon from Pops. So Pops was actually one of my absolute favorite cereals growing up. And I don't know why. It's really basic. It's not super sugary or anything. But this is Big Yella, and this is from Kellogg's Pops. And guess what? We have a Pops Pop. Don't you see how cool that is? So I watched some of the commercials from back in, I think it was 70s, where they had him, and he would offer up like these massive big yellow, like he's like, my big yellow boots or my big yellow hat or whatever, I'll trade you for your Pops. And like, no, you just have to buy a box. He's like, oh, okay. It's kind of goofy. But yeah, I mean, I love Pops, and they don't have a really good mascot, and this guy just looks goofy. He's perfect. He's just like an ad icon should be. So I'll be adding that to my ad icon collection. I'm a sucker for the cereal ones. So I'm still waiting for Cookie Crisp. And what else? They still need to do like the Cornflakes Rooster, right? Tell me in the comment section. That should be the comment section question today. What other cereal icons would you like to see be made into pop form? Let me know. Comment section. Go. All right. The main event. So what I did last time was I opened this up. So it came in this massive box, but there's another box on the inside. Oh, I'm praying this one's good. So the other one, I got some stuff in it that I'm actually adding to my collection. I was expecting to get a bunch of stuff that I really didn't care about, but I actually got some cool stuff. So there are still a few things that I can pull out of this box that I wouldn't mind adding to my collection. I think there's two more. Gil and then Agent K? No, J. Agent J would both be really cool. So here's the box. This is what it came as. It was $75 on the Funko shop. And you get 5 Pops that were Funko Pop-Up Shop exclusives, as well as a San Diego Comic-Con Pop. And that San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Pop could potentially be Freddy as Genie in metallic form. And then we also had the option of Freddy as Frankenstein. I really want that metallic one, but any of them would be amazing. So let's see what we can get out of here. I got high hopes for this one. So here are all the Pops upside down. Whoop, I opened it upside down so I can see the top of the box. I'm going to pull them out one by one, make it a surprise for both you and me. I'm hoping I get the San Diego Comic-Con one last. So the first Pop is, okay, we got this one last time. It's the orange Fin Duchamp. It's Spastic Plastic or Fantastic Plastic, whatever you want to call it. After that, I guess there was a lawsuit or something. I do think this is a cool Pop. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep one. Like, the small details on the Fantastic Plastic stuff is really cool. Like, he has a human tooth on his necklace, which is kind of like how humans will wear a shark tooth necklace. So, I still don't think I'm going to add him to my collection. I do love Spastic Plastic, but not that one. All right, next one up. Okay, so this is actually one I wanted. Agent J. I said K. Dang it. No, I said J. Maybe. Anyway, so he has the Noisy Cricket. And this was a movie that came out, I think it was on my birthday or around my birthday. And I remember going to see it in the theater, and I was like, what are we going to see? And I liked it so much that my birthday cake was actually Men in Black inspired. So I think I like this one. The Noisy Cricket scene's amazing. Okay. So that's one of the ones I was like, I wouldn't mind if we got it. Next up, let's see. Flip it around. Oh no, we got HR Puff and stuff. So that means no Freddy. Well, that's our San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. I gave it 2 tries, man. I couldn't do anything more than that. But it's a really cool mold. This was just before my time, so it's not something I'm super interested in. Next up, we got ourselves Fooper. I got this one. I like Fantastic Beasts. I'm adding the other one to the collection, but not that one. We got 2 more failures left. Zowu. Okay, we got that one last time. And the last one is Rafiki. So what were these were the only 2 different ones I got. I was kind of hoping to get not Sam. What is his name? Gil. I wanted the orange Gil. He looks really cool, the orange and black. But Appreciate everybody watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content. I actually have a $100 Fugitive Mystery box coming into the mail that has a chance at Johnny Karate, so that'll be a future video. I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Time. So subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. And follow me on Twitch. I'm streaming over there Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. That is all I've got for today. I hope you guys have a freaking awesome day. Later.